Let's keep going because there's probably going to be a few more vantage points and things we can see on the way, and not spending a penny.
Go to TravelCostaRicaNow.com, fill out the form, and we...
Wake up. It's volcano time. Morning.
Are you ready?
Let's go! Bridge. Time for some breakfast. Huevos. Yummy, 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 yummy. Alright, that's breakfast sorted. I paid $14,000 for all of our breakfast today. The only thing I'm kind of considering now is looking at the menu, there was no prices included. It kind of makes you think, was that the actual prices, or did we get a little bit of gringo pricing, which seems to be a common thing here you need to look out for. So definitely recommend looking for places where you have exact prices in the menu, so you know beforehand exactly what you're paying. But breakfast was okay in general. Yeah, let's keep going. Time for some coffee. Latte, por favor. All right, we got our coffee sorted. 2,000 colones for one large latte. Biggest lake in all of Costa Rica, Lake Arenal. found a really nice vantage point of Lake Arenal. Just wanted to make a quick stop, show you guys. Take a quick look. I don't know if you can see it, but way out in the distance, I believe that's Arenal Volcano. So that's where we're heading to. So there's a place where you can go to Arenal and you gotta pay to get in and pay the entrance fee and stuff. So here we got a really amazing first place we saw we could stop at and just stop and take in all the views and everything. Look how beautiful it is here. Looks nice? Looks nice? You want to go swimming? Yeah? Let's keep going because there's probably going to be a few more vantage points and things we can see on the way and not spending a penny. Stop at this really cool looking souvenir shop. Let's take a look, see what they have. It's a really cool souvenir shop. The prices are pretty good here. Show you, we're gonna buy a couple things, show you what we found. First, let's go take a look at the view. Just finished our little shopping spree. Spent about 16,750 colones, so which is almost 30 bucks. And look and see what we bought. The first thing is a snow globe, very nice, pura vida, with a sloth. Cost $8. Next is a bracelet I got for myself. As you can see, starting a nice collection, pura vida bracelets. So this will join my collection, and this cost, I believe it was $3. This is a small little ring. This costs $3 as well, and it's made of wood. And then for Mikey, we got one of the frogs. Want to show him how it works? Yeah, and of course the coffee. Like I said, all those things cost 16,750 colones. You can grab really cool souvenirs at all these places. Just make sure you kind of jump around, look around where you're buying them, because if you go to the beach town areas, I've noticed the prices are a little bit higher than they were here, and this is like a typical souvenir shop. So look around before you buy, and then you can find something that's, you know, quite affordable and not too expensive. You gotta be careful when you're driving. You can always miss cool things like the train, Los Cajeros. We arrived at El Salto, the rope swing. You can put it in your GPS and it'll lead you right here. So let's go take a look. Looks like everyone's having a blast. The water's cold or hot? Cold? Cold water? Cool. It's cold.
It's cool.
Sorry, what do you want?
Two kebabs, please.
Two kebabs and
Barbecue.
barbecue.
Sí.
Okay.
Para niños.
Sí.
And you said one kebab is 1,000 colones, see? One meal.
Yes, sir. How about
You're here every day? Every day you're here?
Yeah, every day here for 1 year. And my name is Warner because my last name is Falcone. A lot of people are here.
Sí.
Pinchos, Falcone. And we have a chorizo and salchichon
See?
and kebabs. Yeah, we have a corn. The corn is a steak with barbecue and Tabasco. It's very good. And you want tortilla?
No, just the kebabs.
Okay.
How you say in Spanish? What's in the...
Pincho.
You like it? Yummy?
Look nice.
For a free activity? Alright, we're gonna take a little walk around La Fortuna, show you guys around, but in the meantime, we're gonna stop by at Rainforest Cafe and meet with a very special guest. So, I hope you're excited. Let's go see. La Fortuna. Like I said, I have a special guest today. I'd like you guys to meet Michael Allen.
Hey guys.
He's the owner and the founder, along with D'Angelo, of TravelCostaRicaNow.com.
Right, 14 years ago.
Wow. So how long have you been in Costa Rica now?
16 years.
16 years. So that's a really, really long time. So today we're, like I said, we're showing you guys a little bit of a budget traveling with family. If you don't want to do, like guided trips, but if you do and you want something planned for you, make sure you visit their website, and maybe you could tell them a little bit about what you can offer for everyone.
Well, I think budget traveling is great, but it's a lot of people want what they want. They want their air conditioner and 3,000 sheet count in their hotels. So if you want a little bit more stuff, 4-star type stuff, go to TravelCostaRicaNow.com, fill out the form, and we're like you, having best friends who live in Costa Rica, who know Costa Rica, totally hooking up your Costa Rica vacation.
Yeah, and I've been watching the videos for over 5 years now, and I highly recommend you subscribe to their channel. They have amazing content. If you want to visit, if you want to live out here full time, they got you covered. So thank you so much.
Thanks, man.
It was a pleasure meeting you. We'll see you soon. Now we're driving up to the Arenal Observatory Lodge. It's special trails and it's open to the public, so let's go see what they have here. Thanks Michael for the recommendation.
Hasta luego.
We just found out the observatory open to the public. They open at 5:30 a.m. You can stay there all day. It's $12 per person. Children above 6 years old are charged, and under 6 years old is for free. So, seeing as it's going to get dark in about an hour, what we're going to do is we're going to come back tomorrow morning and spend here a few hours so we can get, take full advantage of everything. So, I'm really excited. I don't know about you guys, but can't wait for the morning. Back towards La Fortuna, and we'll stop on the way, maybe take a better look at the volcano before it gets dark. Fortuna, we had to make a quick stop. Saw this really, really cool looking place. If you're looking for souvenirs, I think you might find something in here. It's really bright, you can't miss it. It's coming back into La Fortuna from the volcano area, so let's go take a quick look. I'll show you guys around what they have. That's enough shopping for today. Let's head to our apartment and get a little bit of rest. All right, we're arrived at the apartment. Got a nice little kitchen. Let's see what we got here. Bathroom, sink, toilet, shower. Got the first bedroom. Oh, with a little baby bed. How nice. Second bedroom. Not too bad, not too bad. Less than $36. Let's see what we got here. Laundry area, a little outside area. It's not bad. For 36 bucks. We'll let you know what our full opinion is in the morning. So just stopped at a local supermarket and we grabbed some food for tonight and some food for tomorrow. Let's see what they got here. Seeing that it's been a really long day and I'm pretty tired now, I really don't feel like cooking anything, so I decided to grab some fried chicken. It seems to be really popular here in Costa Rica. We'll give it a try. Alrighty, that completes day one of our trip. I think it's time to go to sleep and get some rest. We'll see you in the morning.